Hello, first graders, and welcome back to your reading job for today. Our target skill for today is I can understand the story message and connect it to my own life. So, boys and girls, we are going to be making text connections today with the story message. So, let's look at what the story message is. Before we investigate that, though, boys and girls, we're going to take a look at what type of story did we read this week. Our story, Jack and the Wolf, is a fable. You say it, fable. A fable is a short, made-up story that teaches us a lesson. We can learn something from the characters in these types of stories. The characters in a story are the peoples and the animals in that story. Do you see some characters that we read about this week? Our story, Jack and the Wolf, had a few different characters. Some were people and some were animals, and we are going to ask ourselves, what can we learn from these characters? That is the story message, boys and girls. The main lesson that the story teaches us is the story message. So, questions we can ask ourselves when trying to figure out the story message is, how did Jack change in the story? He's one of our characters. How did he change? What lesson can I learn from Jack? Did Jack make some mistakes? Did he face some challenges? He did, didn't he? What can we learn from the mistakes that Jack made and the challenges that he faced? Alrighty, boys and girls, it's your turn. You are going to tell me the central message or the story message by filling out this activity. What is the title of our story we read this week? Everyone here can write Jack and the Wolf. You're going to write me one sentence about what is the story message. What did you learn from our character Jack? And then illustrate your sentence by drawing and coloring a picture. Then on this side it says, this is how I will apply the central message learned from the book in my own life. Write one sentence about what you can do now. How can you apply the lesson that Jack learned in your own life? And then illustrate this sentence by drawing a picture and coloring it. Happy reading, first graders!